Hey y'all, I'm Tiffany and welcome to Broke Girl Aesthetic. On this channel, I'll be posting some DIYs, thrift flips, renos, and more, all on an extreme budget. So if you enjoy that type of content, please be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to be alerted to my new uploads. In this video, I'm taking a piece that I found when I was out thrifting and I want to use it as a planter. And this is my first video. I realized after I finished filming that my phone was on portrait mode the whole time, so it's a little wonky. So please bear with me as I try to figure all this out. Anyway, on to the video. So here's the piece that I picked up. I think I got it for like a quarter at the thrift store. The ivy that I'm going to be putting in there. I've had it for a little bit. Water. Of course. And my kitchen shears I use to cut veggies and trim my indoor plants with. And of course some soil. So I had already poked holes in there to prep for this project. I just used a fat nail and hammered it in from the bottom. Adding clearly not enough soil. I figured I fixed that later. It's kind of a sandy soil. It's got the vermiculite in there. It's supposed to not only help with drainage, but also to, try to regulate some of that. Now, this guy here, he's got some dried out leaves and parts of the vine. I didn't think I had them in too much sun. It seems like this one and another of them kind of got a little scorched. So this one that I'm going to put in seemed to be the best of the three. And you'll see in a second that it's really pretty healthy and flourishing still. I don't know why. Maybe the other two just weren't healthy to begin with when I got them. I don't know. I'm going to break up that root ball a little bit. Let it spread out some. Because if this is the only one that survives, I want it to take over the whole thing. I'm crap at growing certain kinds of plants, so see, now I had to have more dirt. I have a brown thumb, really. So if I can keep this alive, I'll be really happy. And here's that guy I just trimmed. I had also trimmed the other ones off camera as well. Maybe he will come back, I don't know. And the last one, which got out of frame because I messed up and had it on portrait mode the whole time. It's not looking too hot. I don't know if that one will snap back. I guess we'll find out after a few days, a couple weeks maybe. Yeah, give them one last drink there. The roots were already pretty wet. I had just watered them a couple of days ago. They were still pretty wet, so just want to make sure we get the soil nice and saturated. And there it is, all finished. I really love how big it is and how it can really spread out. I wanted something that wasn't round. All of my other plants are, in your standard round pots or a couple of square ones. Because I wanted to put it on this shelf that I installed in my kitchen just a few days ago. And I really like how this looks up there. And I kind of want it to trail everywhere. So let me know what you think in the comments. Please give me a like, subscribe. Stay tuned. I'll have many more videos coming up in the future. Thank you.